Okay, hello. I am here with Boomer's bees, and I just cracked them open for the first time since before the cold spell. Try to find a queen for you. Let's see. She disappeared too. Get the strap out of the way. So she's alive and she's laying babies. I see there's not a lot, but there's some eggs, larvae, and capped brood, so she's busy. These guys still have a lot of honey left. They also still have a bunch of the supplemental food that we gave them that they're turning their nose up at mostly, but that sugar up there, the main purpose for it is to absorb moisture. Looks like it's doing its job because it's turned into rock candy. So it's still a little bit chilly, although we're getting a weather break here. But I'm gonna just put them back together and see it in March. And they look really good. So that's fantastic. Good news.